In 1885, Texas's richest rancher died, leaving his wife $500,000 in debt. The bankers told her to go home and sew. Instead, she built America's first billion-dollar ranch empire. Henrietta King stood alone at her husband's grave. The King Ranch was drowning in debt. Creditors wanted the land. Lawyers said sell everything. Even her friends said a woman can't run a ranch. But Henrietta saw what the men didn't. Cattle prices went up and down. Land only went up. She made 3 brilliant moves: built a new town called Kingsville, drilled water wells every 10 miles, sold small farms to create loyal neighbors. While other ranches gambled everything on cattle, Henrietta diversified: railroad contracts, oil rights, water rights, town development. But here's what made her legendary. She built schools for workers' children, created the first ranch medical system, gave every worker a house and garden. The Queneños, King's people, would die for her. During raids, they protected her ranch while others burned. By 1925, the King Ranch was bigger than Rhode Island, 1.2 million acres, 0 debt, worth over $1 billion today. The woman they told to go home built the largest ranch in American history. Never tell a queen what she can't do. Follow for more legendary stories of unstoppable women.